Hello, today I will be giving you a quick tour and review of the Dell Optical Mouse, which number is MS116. Dell Optical Mouse MS116. There you go, little mouse. It's a pretty simple mouse. Simple, comfortable, sleek design, very inexpensive, and as a matter of fact, it does its job. It's a good mouse. The sensor on the bottom, although it is not plugged in right now, I use this mouse in my daily life, and the sensor works really great. It allows you a great glide and smooth transitioning from the physical touch to the electric mouse on the screen. So this is a Dell mouse, so if you're using PC, Dell is, in my opinion, a trustable brand, and this is definitely a mouse anyone can afford. This is a side view of the mouse. You can see an ergonomic design which sort of imitates how it fits into your palm. Your fingers can rest on this quite comfortably. This is the size of the mouse, so it's a medium-sized mouse, and it's definitely not designed for gaming. As you can see from the outside, it's more of like an everyday or office use, or anything that only requires the function of the left mouse button, the right mouse button, the glider, and of course the glider itself is a button. These parts are not pushable here. This is just purely design elements. So the mouse works perfectly, as I said. I never had a problem with it. It feels very comfortable. When I push the mouse buttons, give a close-up look. They feel firm, but it's really easy to press, not too hard. The glider is made out of rubber. It's quite convenient to roll it back and forth, reading long articles and skipping pages, and that when you press the middle mouse button, it I don't know if anyone uses that, but you can do that with this as well. On the bottom, there you go, all the details right now. You can see Dell. Here's a serial number or model number, CANICES3B. It was made in China, and serial number. There is also a rubber part for I guess for better movement on a surface. Especially if you have a mouse pad, it's going to work better. From the front, it's just really a nice, simple mouse. The connection of the mouse, it's through a USB port. And this is the USB port over here. It's just a very simple USB port. The linings of the cord itself feels good. It's quite simple, like you would expect any optical cords. It's not too flexible, which is good in a sense, because when I'm saying flexible, I'm talking about the fact that it's not too easy to tangle up with itself, so it makes storage and transportation easier when it's not plugged in to the computer. Also, the length of the cord is considerable. I can't show you the whole length, but maybe I can put the entire cord up here. I don't know if it comes through, but I would say this is like 2 feet long. So it's definitely a mouse I would recommend. Personally, I never had a problem with it, and I use a Dell computer, so I trust that maybe using the same brand will provide a constant performance when using accessories like a mouse. The USB port was working perfectly, really never had any trouble with this mouse. It's of course a cheaper version. You can buy better mouses, with better functions, better, accuracy and more adjustable pressure on buttons and so forth. But if you just want to buy a mouse, and you want to buy a mouse which works for your computer, I do recommend you this Dell Optical Mouse MS116. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you could get something useful out of this review.